Welcome back to the farm, everyone. As you can see, the orchard is absolutely beautiful this time of year, and we're ready for harvest. This soil moisture sensor is fantastic. As you can see right here, we've got the perfect balance of moisture for these tomatoes. Thumbs up for a healthy garden. Unbelievable. This thing measures over 2 feet around. It might just be the largest mango on the planet. Ah, bingo, right there at the top. See how the color breaks near the stem? That is a sweet one, ready for picking. We are standing next to the culmination of decades of research. This rover is our eyes and ears on a brand new world. Check out the size of this mango. Whoa, it is heavy. And boom, another successful lift. Welcome to the Innovation Center. I'm your host, and with my badge on, we're ready to see the future of manufacturing. Safety and sanitation are our top priorities here. Make sure you get a good lather before we head onto the floor.
We are absolutely smashing production targets this quarter thanks to this beast right here. This is the moment we've been waiting for. I cannot believe how vibrant that is. Give it up for the chef, everyone.
Look at how juicy that is. Absolutely perfect. You folks really have to try these. All right, everyone, we're heading up these stairs to check out the inside of this massive fermentation tank. Let's see what's brewing up here. Wow.
Look at this reading on the display. The particulate count is elevated.
I agree. We should run a second pass through the sequencer. Very impressive. You've done remarkable work here.
This is where the magic happens. Look at the speed of this filling line. Absolutely incredible efficiency, working around the clock. And this is where the magic happens. We pull one right off the belt,
check the temperature, and ensure the glass is flawless before it cools.
All right, move the pineapple shipment to aisle 4 immediately. We need that space cleared.
If you could just sign right there.
Of course. There you go. Hey everyone, welcome into the kitchen. I'm so glad you could join us today because we have something really special planned.
I thought you might enjoy this fresh mango juice.
Wow, I love that. That is exactly what we needed to hear today. Truly refreshing. And
I was thinking we could finally visit Okinawa this summer.
Really? I've always wanted to go there.
The beaches look amazing. Cheers, everyone, to a great summer. I'll drink to that.
I'm telling you, once you taste the smooth finish of this limited edition bottle, you won't believe the quality.
That was awesome. You guys are really making things happen here.
We're proud of the work we do.
Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you next time. And don't forget to click that subscribe button right here.